大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 13th lesson of the series. Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. 话说中文。In this lesson, you will learn 4 words about family members. That is 父母儿女。These 4 words can be combined to make 4 different phrases like this. They are super commonly used phrases in daily life. So after this lesson, you will remember 4 words and 4 phrases at the same time. Without further ado, let's get started. The first word we are going to learn is 父. 父. It means father. This is oracle bone script, which was carved on the wall 1,000 years ago. In ancient times, as early as the Stone Age, stone is an important tool. And in the family, normally, the father is the one doing the labor. So here, a hand holding a stone represents father. And do you see here, this one represents a stone, and this is the hand. And the simplified Chinese normally is more neat and square than the oracle bone script, but you can see the shape of them are still very similar. So do you see here, this one? Okay, now let's write it together. So this is the word 父. 父, it means father. The next word we are going to learn is 母. 母, it means mother. And this is the oracle bone script. And you can see this is a very lively capture of a woman breastfeeding her baby. So this is how she nails on her ankle. And this is the body. And these 2 dots represent the breast. And do you see the simplified Chinese actually kind of emphasize the body part more importantly, because this is the most important part of our body. So do you see here, this is the body part, and the 2 dots are the breast. So let's write the word together. This is the word 母. 母, it means mother. The next word we are going to learn is 儿. 儿. Here you need to curve your tongue a little bit, like inward, to make this pronunciation. 儿. 儿. And this is oracle bone script. And you see here, this is the head, these are the eyes, and this is the body part. And the simplified Chinese is more easier. It's way much easier. Do you see here? Just the 2 strokes. Like a baby. So it's very easy to write this word. This is the word 儿. 儿, it means son. Or sometimes it can just mean baby. The next word we are going to learn is 女. 女. It has 2 meanings. One is daughter, another man, and another one is a woman. And you can see here, the oracle bone script is very similar to mother, just without breastfeeding. So, and I don't know if you can feel from this word, it gives you a feeling of gentleness, tenderness, and softness. Because do you see here, this little soft curves here? So this is the word 女. 女. It means daughter or woman. And these 4 words, 父母儿女, can be put together to make 4 phrases. And these 4 phrases are super commonly used in China. The first phrase is 父母. It means parents. The second pair is 儿女. It means son and daughter. The third pair is 父女. It means dad and daughter. The last pair is 母 with the 女. It means mom and daughter. 母女. Okay, I'll read these 4 phrases for you again. 父母. 父母. It means parents. 儿女. 儿女. It means son and daughter. 父女. 父女. It means dad and daughter. 母女. 母女. It means mom and daughter. So, how's everything going on? Please leave it in the comment below. If you have any question, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。